Hello everyone! Welcome to the Homie House channel. Before you watch this video, please support us by subscribing, liking, and commenting. Hey there, garden enthusiasts and aspiring outdoor dreamers. Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever scrolled through Pinterest or walked past a stunning backyard and thought, wow, I wish my garden looked like that? Well, today is your lucky day. We're diving deep into the art of creating breathtaking outdoor spaces that are not just beautiful, but also incredibly functional and personal. Get ready to transform your backyard from blah to breathtaking. So, what exactly is garden design? It's more than just throwing some plants into the ground. At its core, garden design is the art and process of planning and creating layouts for gardens and landscapes. It involves thoughtful consideration of aesthetics, functionality, and sustainability. Think of it as creating an outdoor room where elements like pathways, planting beds, water features, and seating areas all work together to form a cohesive and inviting space. It's about blending nature with your personal style to create an extension of your home that you'll love spending time in. Now that we know what it's all about, let's get to the good stuff. Here are 5 essential tips to help you design the garden of your dreams. 1. Define your purpose and zone your space. Before you even dig your first hole, ask yourself, what do you want to do in your garden? Do you want a quiet reading nook, an entertaining area for friends, a productive vegetable patch, or maybe a peaceful meditation spot? Once you know your purpose, you can zone your garden. This means dividing your space into distinct areas for different activities. Think about creating pathways to guide people through these zones. This adds structure and makes even small gardens feel larger and more purposeful. 2. Embrace the power of layers and textures. A flat garden is a boring garden. Add visual interest by layering your plants. Start with taller trees or large shrubs at the back, then mid-sized plants, and finally ground covers or flowers in the front. Don't forget about texture. Mix broadleaves with delicate ferns, spiky grasses with soft roses. This creates depth and a more natural, abundant feel. Vertical gardens are also fantastic for adding layers in smaller spaces. 3. In hardscaping and focal points. Hardscaping refers to the non-living elements in your garden, like patios, pathways, fences, and even decorative rocks. These elements provide structure and define your garden's backbone. Once your hardscaping is in place, think about focal points. This could be a beautiful fountain, a striking sculpture, a vibrant cluster of flowers, or even a unique tree. Focal point draws the eye and gives your garden a sense of direction. 4. Play with color and lighting. Color is a powerful tool in garden design. Decide on a color scheme that complements your home and your personal tastes. You can go for a harmonious palette with similar shades or create striking contrasts. But don't just think about daytime color. Outdoor lighting can completely transform your garden at night, highlighting key features and creating a magical ambiance for evening enjoyment. String lights, path lights, and spotlights can turn your garden into an enchanting retreat after dusk. 5. Consider maintenance and sustainability. Beautiful garden is great, but a low maintenance beautiful garden is even better. Choose plants that are well suited to your climate and soil conditions. Group plants with similar water and light needs together. Think about drought-tolerant options if you live in a dry area. Also, consider sustainable practices like composting, rainwater harvesting, and using native plants to support local wildlife. A smart design saves you time and resources in the long run. There you have it. With these tips, you're well on your way to designing a garden that not only looks incredible but also brings you joy and tranquility. Remember, your garden is an extension of your home and your personality. Don't be afraid to experiment, get your hands dirty, and let your creativity flourish. The most beautiful gardens are often the ones that are a true reflection of their owners. Which one of these tips are you most excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening inspiration and tips. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.